We are so thankful to the Lawton community for this bond issue. We will be getting approximately 450 Chromebooks. They will come in different carts, about 30 Chromebooks to a cart, so 15 carts. Currently, what we offer, we call them thin client computers, and they have worked really well for us, and we are thankful that we had them, but we have some issues with them occasionally because powering 15 computers on one tower causes us problems when we are submitting things, sometimes when we're saving things, and these devices just will work so much better because each student will have their own device. They seem to like them because they're really easy to carry. This is, such a digital generation, and this will just allow them more flexibility to have them in their classroom, and they won't necessarily have to book that time with me and fight for the time on a computer with other teachers. I think teachers will be able to try things they've never tried before, and we'll just really be able to expand our use of technology, and then hopefully that will help us with any sort of content and curriculum that we're trying to teach. We do have some Chromebooks in our building already. They are checked out all of the time, and this just allows us more flexibility because we'll have so many more computers. It's great, and I cannot wait to see what it does for our students and our staff. Thank you, Lawton Fort Sill community.